Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This is Hugo from your social space, and today I'll be teaching you how you can import your stream overlays, free overlays, pre-made overlays and custom overlays into your OBS. In this tutorial I'll be showing in OBS, and then I might do a tutorial in Streamlabs. It's a way much easier. I'll be using two methods. One is with a script, it's more advanced, more automatic, it's a way easier, okay? And then I'll be teaching you manually how you can import images, how you can import videos, how can you do nested scenes, the basic stuff. Firstly, you need your stream overlay. If you don't have any stream overlay, you can access our Discord. This is a little sponsor. There we have free overlays and animated paid versions overlays. Okay, I'll be showing both versions. Okay, most of the artists, commissioners you do, or some people, they don't have scripts, but we are implementing this new script. We did, okay? We are the first ones doing a script like this with nested scenes. After you download your overlay, you might have like something like this, a folder with your overlays inside. I'll do first the free overlay and then I'll show you the premium overlay, so you can see the difference, because the free one has only images and the free has videos. Most of the things that people don't like is setting up OBS, because it's so boring importing all the images, and with this script it's so easy. You should put the folder. Usually what I do is I have a stream folder where I can put my overlays, my shotbots, my label notepads. So I advise you create a folder like that. So I have here a stream folder, as you see, stream folder. It has all my overlays, my old overlays and new overlays, and you should do the same, okay? I won't do it, so free cute space pack. This is a pack. It contains this script here, and it contains everything you need. So the panels, the screens, some basic tutorials, and the webcam. Firstly, I'll be showing you the script, okay? So to import our overlays using the script, you just need to come to here into your OBS. Tools, scripts, and then you should click on the plus button here down below. Now let's navigate to our folder, free cute space pack, and you see the OBS one, import script. You just open and you click right here, import all scenes. What the script will do, it's super easy. Then you can close it. It will create the most basic common scenes people use, okay? So this one was already created, as you see. This one is a little head showing you a preview of this pack version, but in premium and animated. You can delete this one if you want, or you can check out. Here we have the starting soon, the game scene, the ending scene, and then we have something. I'll say it with confidence. We are the first ones doing. That's the nested scenes. We have two nested scenes. Very simple, very basic. It is the web scene, and then we have the social scene. What's the thing about nested scenes? So a nested scene, it's an imported scene. Usually what people do when you download the overlay, you need to change, for example, for this one, you need to change your socials in some kind of image editing program like Photoshop, Canva, some free software. Here, no, what I did was I created a scene only for socials. And then in the starting soon and the ending soon, you have your scenes, your socials here. What you can do is you can come to the socials, you can switch your socials, you put your socials here. Like I'm just typing randomly. And then when you come back to the starting soon and the ending soon, as you see, the socials are already switched, because this is like a smart overlay. It's like a smart scene, and we did the same for the webcam, okay? So why we did this for the webcam? So here you need to configure the webcam. That's the wrong part. Or in here, if you don't want the labels, you can switch this too. You can come here, and instead of importing the webcam, the first webcam, you can import the second or the third. This is super easy. The only difference is here in this case in this spec. Okay, it's it has a small web. And then you need to configure your webcam. We didn't did this part because you might use your phone. Some person might use like a webcam, other might use the DSLR. So you need to configure your webcam. Okay, I will do the basic stuff. Like I'll put here the webcam. The corners are round. I'll do the next tutorial. I'll teach you how you can use image masks because we have an image mask for this webcam. It will cut the corners because these corners are round and our webcam is pointy. And then what happens, it's in your game, people, most of the people use folders, but I don't like use folders for the webcam because when you change your webcam, when you want to change something in the labels, when you want to change the border, you have to go scene by scene. Most of the people use like one scene for one game, another scene for other game. Like they have 3, 4, 5 scenes with the webcam and they need to go one by one, switching the webcam border. And like this, you only have to switch in the web scene and then automatically changes in the rest. About this is very good because you can resize it, you can put whatever you want, Imagine for this, for the League of Legends, you can put your webcam right here, okay? And for the Valorant, you can put the web right here, and then you can create another scene calling Valorant. Let's do it like this. Now for the Valorant, this is League of Legends, you put the webcam here, and then for Valorant, let's import again the webcam. You put your webcam like this. So this changes automatically, okay? You can change the web border again. Let's do just an example. Let's put again the labels, and when you come back to the game, already has the labels there. So it syncs everything. That's why we use nested scenes, because they are so powerful and you should use to. So this is a free pack. I'll show you the premium pack. It's basically the same, but it has a lot of more things of the pack. Again, this is in our shop, Etsy shop, or in our Discord. You can buy it there, but basically it's the same. You come tools, scripts, you do the same. You can delete this one because they have the same name. Click on the plus icon. Now let's go for the premium one and OBS import. And it will import all scenes. As you see, it has a lot of more scenes. Let me show you. This shot, I'm using XQC shot as an example, but you need to configure your shot. So we have a shot inside this pack, you need to configure it. I'll be doing a tutorial showing you that too, because the script does like 80 to 70%, but are some things you need to configure again. So you have the starting soon, you have the just chatting. Again, you have your socials here. If you have in the starting time, you have your socials. So just sharing, here you need to configure your webcam, intermission, again. So in this one you have to configure your webcam. I will teach you. You have the game, here it's basically the same, but the webcam is animated, okay? You can change. And ending soon. The good part about the premium one, it is that you have like the web scene, social scene again, and the chat. If you want, you can come for the game and do, let's add a chat. Like I said, let's do the chat. Okay, and like this, you can import nested scenes, and you can put the chat whatever you want. You can put down below. Okay, yeah, but something like this, as you see, and then you can have multiple scenes with multiple, like for multiple games, and then you can position everything for each game. That's how I do it. So now, how can you port the things manually? Because most of the packs, when you download a stream overlay pack, it doesn't have a script, okay? So what you'll end up with, it's something like this. Here we have the chat codes. You can import via link, or you can use the stream elements, or you can use the code. You have to copy and paste code. So this is for the stream elements one, and this is for the Streamlabs. So this is a custom chat. We usually have the panels you can use for Twitch. We have the screens. Okay, ending soon, starting soon on offline. This is the pack. The pack only comes with these 3 screens, some tutorials, and the webcam. Here inside the webcam, we have just 3 variations, and then we have the mask you need to apply so it takes out the corners. All we do, again, I will do a tutorial teaching you how you can do this. We have the socials like here. So how do you import everything? You have to do it manually. So you create your scene. Let's call this starting soon, maybe. And then you right click here, or you click on the plus icon, and let's do add, and then image. Now you call your image whatever you want. Starting soon image. You can call it whatever you want. And now in the properties of this image, we need to import the starting soon image. So image file, we need a path. So we clicking on browse. Let's go for desktop, FreeCute space pack, and inside the screens it must have the starting soon. So here we have two, one with chat and one without. Let's use one without, okay. And now let's do the nested scene for the webcam, okay. You want to use your webcam right here on the top corner, top right corner. So what we do is, I'll use this one. I'll call it webcam. And then I added something to separate the nested scenes from the actual scenes. I use the equals, but you can use like some fancy things. You can like do something. So inside the webcam, we do the same. We add an image, okay. Webcam border, for example. And we do the same. We come to the webcam. And we can import with the labels, okay. And now we import our webcam. I will do this one as an example. Video capture device. I'll call it like this, and then we drop it down below the image file, and then we resize it. And then you need to do the mask part, but I won't do this in this tutorial because it will stay long. So this tutorial will be long. And then in a starting soon, let's do the same thing, add and then scene to create a nested scene. And now we had the camera and we can resize it and put it right here. So everything we change in the webcam scene, it will change in the nested scenes. And like this, you can import a pack, but this is like manually. Now we need to do it for the ending soon, intermission, just sharing, and the gaming, and then you need to do for each game, or you can use just one scene for every game, and then when you change the game, you will change the scene. Follow us, guys. Enter our Discord, there we have pretty much everything, and follow our channel because we will do more tutorials, okay? Guys, I'm Hugo and see you soon.